Hello, and see you there. Um, my name is Nate, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be making a latte macchiato. Put some milk in to measure my milk, how much to steam. Any time the size of milk or glass that you have will be fine. Now I'm gonna be steaming. I'm just gonna out. Now I'm gonna start. After you finish, you can finish it. Get rid of any milk inside the steamer. Now I'm going to be starting on making my espresso. Now I'm just waiting for the water to heat up, and I'll get started brewing this espresso. Now the has turned green. I think that's now brewing the espresso out. It'll take about a minute to finish brewing. Now I'm brewing my espresso. It'll probably take a minute for to fill up my espresso in the cup. Now I am brewing my espresso. It'll take about a minute to fill up in my cup, and that'll be it. Now it has stopped. I have finished, and I just got just the right enough espresso for my drink. That'll be it. Espresso. This is a espresso coffee ground. Pick it up. Clean it out after you're finished. Try to clean up the mess. And now I'm gonna go wash this. I just now finished cleaning everything up. After you finished cleaning up, now it's time to assemble my drink. I'm gonna pick up my milk that I just steamed. Now I'm just gonna pour it into my glass first. Grab my spoon, put it in, measure just the right length. Put some of the foam in. I just now put on top of my foam on top of my milk, and now be next to be the espresso. Now I am now gonna pour it. The trick is to use your spoon, and this is how you do it. You just put it on top, and now just pour it, and now slowly just pour slowly. It'll do that, make like a big tidal wave of water. So it'll take about a few minutes. Now I just finished. And now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put what's left of my foam. I'm gonna put the rest of the foam on top of it. Okay. Now here you have it. It's very good. for who's ever a coffee drinker, get the coffee of the espresso first, and after a while you'll get your milk flavor, and you get this very nice tidal wave of ocean wave. And please thank you for watching the video. I hope this has helped you and hope to try to grow my channel out. And thank you all. Have a great day and bye.